ng iyong grupo kang frame letters of solicitation for classmates and fellow alumni. The others can do the legwork of sending and following up the solicitation. Others who can afford can donate units of computer or aircon to the laboratory or window grills to secure the laboratory. Bali, ipatahaptan ko nga, pwede ang nagan makurubli, mamay adahya katigayunan o waray. Assistance may not only be thought of in terms of digital projects, but may also involve long-range programs, like an annual awarding or recognition of outstanding alumni, which can be done during alumni homecoming.
College, in the face of challenges to our national or even to our alumni association, you must learn to be one family.
This is the only way to endure as well as to rise above the crisis.
A responsible men and women, stay united and functional as you are now. Again, register your impacts in your own town, Catbalogan, and share the burden of development in your own little way. Share your talent, time, and treasure to improve your beloved summer college. This way, you can keep the true spirit of alumni associations, fora of talented, selfless individuals, active force for development, live wire of the community, and the pride of your alma mater. And may you have a very good time for the rest of the evening.
Thank you, Dr. Alfredo Dacoron, sir, for bearing with the interruption. Okay, we'd like to call on Ms. Jessamine Villarin to please present the plaque of appreciation to the guest speaker. May we call on again?
Summer College, Catbalogan Summer, plaque of appreciation is awarded to Alfredo D. Dacoro, PhD, CISO 6 Schools Division Superintendent, in grateful acknowledgement of his invaluable professional and meritorious service as guest speaker during the 50th Grand Alumni Coming of Summer College, given the 27th day of April 2007 at Summer College, Catbalogan, Summer, Philippines. Signed, Jessamine Aragon Villarin, host high school batch, 1983 President, Summer College Grand Alumni Homecoming Association, 2006-2007.
Distinguished alumni of Summer College. May we call on again Miss Jessamine Aragon Villarin, please. Present.
Distinguished alumni from the school. First, I don't know if she's around tonight, is Judge Ophelia Liosa. One of our distinguished alumni of Summer College from the Supreme Court is none other than Judge Ophelia Liosa from high school batch 1959. Knowing her fully well, being the daughter of an equally distinguished mentor of Summer College, Mrs. Esperanza Liosa, who was an outstanding student of this school. This distinction is with the nod and approval of her peers who knows Judge Liosa personally. With her remarkable achievements in her career, truly this school will always be proud of her. without much further ado, I am proud to present to you Judge Ophelia Yuosa. From the school is Engineer Pablo Aragon Jr. from high school batch 1958, and from the engineering department, please welcome Engineer Pablo Aragon Jr., the incumbent district engineer of the 2nd Engineering District of Samar. As a student of this school, he was among the shortest in their class, their PMT class most especially. Along with his cherished classmates, they too became professionals and successful in their chosen fields. Engineer Pablo Aragon Jr. hails from Talandan and has stayed most of his time in Catalogan, Samar. Mr. Juan Johnny Bofango, but he's not here tonight. But on his behalf, Engineer Aragon will receive his token. The distinguished alumnus for tonight is no other than Dr. Helino Nono Punadrojapa. But as everyone knows, he's not around. But to give you a brief summary who Nono Punadrojapa is, he graduated from the same school in the year 1982. He went to he attended his medical technology at Divine Word University and went to RTR, Remedios Trinidad Romualdez Medical School in Tacloban, and he became a doctor at the age of